Sihhmui kai balloon la sup mai he eng lo tang khan enge ni kha cyclone kha khan tam tok chu ron deposit thar karinga tlai vel hi he tlai tui luan na poi dang lam vek to ama kan kalna motor kan tlan thak the na po kha hei thei to lo shim different course. Okay, the river was flooded recently by the cyclone. What was that? The name of the cyclone I don't remember. Look at this, they're collecting the gravels and the shingles. Wow, this looks very good. People are working hard. Okay, if you are working hard and earning your living, then that's okay. Wow, Kiki kapute huan. Yes, chuan kapute in khi lang lo chia hit lai chaka ken nia. Maybe I'll zoom it in. Oh God, I can't see anything. People here will earn at least 2,000 every day. Hard-working people. I like it, and I'm enjoying it. Let me put my feet in the water. Oh, the water is warm actually. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, some kids are going back. What are they having? Picnic here? I don't know. Last summer, this was where we tented. Now everything has been washed away. The whole scenario has changed. Okay, we're trying to purchase some vegetables from that field. I hope there are some people out there. The owners are there. Yeah. Looking really green. Okay. What I like most is like people are working hard. Here's a campfire, and some idiot has just left his can of fish out here. Why can't they just take it with them, push it in the rubbish bin? Okay, that's all for now.